Hello there! Today we are making Cinnabon delights with yummy cream cheese filling. It tastes amazing and you'll want to take another bite for the cheesy goodness. Let's start cooking! We are gonna prepare the filling first. Take some cream cheese at room temperature and whisk until soft. I have made the cream cheese recipe. I'll leave the link of the video in the description. It's simple yet absolutely delicious. Add some powdered sugar and whisk again. Next, add some vanilla extract or essence. A teaspoon of milk. The filling is done. Moving on to the dry ingredients. Take some flour, powdered sugar, baking powder, cinnamon powder, and some salt. Mix it and keep it aside. For the wet ingredients, we'll need milk, melted butter, and an egg. Mix it well and add it to the dry ingredients. It's well combined now. Let's fry them in oil. Take small portions of the mixture in your hands and drop it gently. Grease your hands a little bit to prevent sticking. Keep the flame on low medium and fry it in batches not more than 5. Fry on both sides until brown. I have coated the balls with a mix of cinnamon powder and some powdered sugar. Use a piping bag or any other object to fill the cream cheese like this. Your Cinnabon delights are ready for a creamy, gooey treat in the rainy days and will be perfect with some milk tea in the evening. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and hit that like button. Share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.